Hi there, what's good? So I'm Praveen Nair and this is Maahek Nair and we are from Bodyprocoach Fitness. So being said that, we're going to show you something very, very cool. At the same time, it does not take much time. But if you're going to buy it from the shops, it's going to get you a lot of sugar and it's going to literally take you out of the plan.
Yeah, because it's loaded with preservatives, it's loaded with high amount of sugar, it's going to spike up your insulin level and get you out of your ketosis completely.
Alright, so we highly encourage you to make these kind of stuffs. If you already have some time, invest and make it and you're going to feel good about it. You really feel good about it when you make those food at home.
And you can preserve the same in the refrigerator for the coming 5 to 6 days.
Exactly, let's go.
Squeeze 1 full lime.
Five grams almond butter, stevia, fresh ginger powder, dry garlic powder, cinnamon powder, Himalayan pink salt, 1 tomato diced, apple cider vinegar, chili flakes.
Go.
First, you're going to add 5 grams of butter to a pan. Then I'm going to add chopped tomatoes. That's 1 whole diced tomato. Nice. To that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And now I'm going to just stir it and put a lid and let it cook for the next 10 minutes. So once you check your tomatoes, when they look soft, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of water. So in a small container, I have first taken, like I said, fresh ginger. That's half a teaspoon. To that I'm going to add Himalayan pink salt. Next I'm going to take, that's little cinnamon powder. That's dry garlic. About half a teaspoon. Lastly, I'm going to add stevia powder, half a teaspoon. Nice. Now I'm directly going to add my tomatoes to the same mixture. My tomatoes are done nicely. Pour it here. And I'm going to let the same mixture cool down for the next 10 minutes. Probably under a fan. So you're going to keep it at room temperature for the next 10 minutes. Once it at room temperature and normal, we're going to add it to the blender. And we're going to blend the same. So the spicy keto tomato ketchup is ready.
And it's yummy too. I've tasted it already, so I know about it. And we put a minimum amount of sugar into it. At the same time, there's stevia, so which means that it's not going to kick you out of ketosis or the fat burning zone. So again, as I always say that we've got all those things to be fit. We've got all those things on our channel. Just go through it, see this playlist, and you've got everything there. So enjoy yourself, guys, and you want to make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit that bell button, and do share the channel with as many friends and family as possible, that even they have a great chance to become fit. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.
Thank you.